Baby Ralphie's here with me in London, which I am very, very happy about. Are you happy to be in London? Yes. Ralphie is initially from London. When we moved to Germany, we took him from London to Germany. So he's kind of come home again, haven't you? And he seems to be settling in very, very well to life in London, which is a massive, massive relief. So Christian's out, and I've got the place to myself, and I really wanted to do a video this morning. So I just kind of thought that I would just show you some things that I'm doing at home at the moment. I had a package come this morning. It's actually the first PR package that's arrived. I don't get very many PR packages, if I'm completely honest, because I don't accept a lot of stuff because you get offered a lot of crap that you don't want, that's no use to me, and it's nothing that you guys would be interested in either. But this is actually quite good, so I want to show you it, and it's from a brand called Medicate, which is like a doctor brand. And you get it in like spas and stuff, so it's kind of similar to like a SkinCeuticals type of brand, or a Dr. Dennis Gross or something like that. And they have launched a range of products for men, and let me just pop you down. And initially when I saw it, I was not impressed because I don't like ranges of products for men. I don't like products for men. I feel like it's ridiculous because women's products don't say women on them, so why do men's products have to say men on them? I just think it's so stupid. So yeah, when I initially saw them, that I got like a little note from the PR agency saying, oh, we want to show you the new Medicate products for men. I was like, oh God. But I had a little read of what they've got to say, and I was quite impressed because they just sent 3 products in this little box. So it's just the CSA Philosophy Kit Essentials Edition, and it just says Medicate for men. So they've basically, what they've done is they haven't changed anything at all. They said, skin is skin, no matter how you identify. That's why the secret to younger looking, truly great skin is the same for all of us. That's why when Medicate made for men, they controversially changed absolutely nothing. And I think that's great because a lot of skincare brands create a men's version and they just put either some crappy masculine fragrance in it, or they fill it up with menthol, and it's just not really skincare, in my opinion. So what they've done is they haven't done anything different from what the normal products are. So in the box, they just have these, which look like normal. And they've got a vitamin A cream, so retinol for the night. They have got an AHA, BHA cleansing gel. And then they've got a vitamin C cream with SPF 30. So I think that what I might actually do is use a couple of the products this morning, and yeah, just for fun because they're new and I enjoy trying new products, and I can kind of show you guys what I'm doing with them and also do a bit of a morning skincare routine. All right, so I'm going to give my face a little cleanse with this. So this is its Surface Radiance Cleanse Microsurfacing AHA BHA Mangosteen Cleansing Gel. I'm just having a look at the ingredients list, and basically it's got salicylic acid in and mandelic acid in. I did that review on the ordinary mandelic acid, so I'll pop a link to that above. So it looks like it's going to be a nice, gentle exfoliating face cleansing gel, and there's also lots of fruit extracts in this, so it's going to be have some like fruit acids in. They can sometimes irritate my skin a little bit, so I will be keen to see how this is. I'm just going to give my face a quick splash of water. All right, so now I look like a tomato. Okay, so this is nice. I'm not, as you know, I'm not like a big exfoliator. I enjoy exfoliating, but obviously I like my vitamin A, my retinol, and my vitamin C during the day. So I generally tend to use mild exfoliators or exfoliate that not that often. Now this is quite interesting for me because I don't do a lot of foaming cleansers. Do they say this is a foaming cleanser? They call it a radiance, they call it a cleansing gel, but as you can see it's foaming. So I'm going to use it and then let you guys know if my skin feels really, really dry or not afterwards. The one thing that I do like about like a cleansing gel or something that foams very slightly is that it's nice if you've got facial hair. Like I just had a quick like trim of my beard, but like you can get it all in there and then it rinses off quite nicely. But this feels nice and mild. I can feel like a slight tingling, but not that much. So now I'll give my face a little splash with some water. So I have to say, I quite like that. My skin doesn't feel tight or dry, but I think that I would be surprised if it did. I think that it's possible to make like a foaming cleansing gel these days without it being too stripping. It hasn't got any SLS or anything like that. I would be surprised if it did, and my skin doesn't feel irritated, which is really, really good. Now there's the vitamin C cream with SPF 30, but I'm not going to go straight in with that, obviously, because I'm me and I need to add like a hydrating step first. Okay, I'm going to do 2 layers of, no I'm not, sorry, I keep changing my mind. I'm going to do 1 layer of multi-molecular hyaluronic complex, which I haven't used in a little while. This is such a nice hyaluronic acid. Gosh, my skin must need it. It's like sometimes I'll apply a little bit of serum to my face and my face just like drinks it up. So I know that it's really, really thirsty. And then I'm going to use this on my neck. This is the Pinkangul Essence Toner, which is really nice. Need to pay lots of attention to my poor little neck that doesn't get quite the loving care that my face gets. That's good. All right, so that's that. Benefits of vitamin C. I mean, loads of you guys know that already. Vitamin C is really good because it is brightening. With continued use, it can help build collagen in the skin, it can help with fine lines, but it's also really good during the day because it's an antioxidant. So what an antioxidant will do is it helps mop up free radicals. Free radicals are caused by pollution. Vitamin C also boosts your SPF, so it helps against the UV light. So even on a day like today, you can see this daylight coming through the window. It's kind of cloudy outside, but we still need an SPF even on those days. So the vitamin C will help boost the SPF. So I think that that's quite a good thing to combine, SPF and vitamin C. And this, as you can see, is like a slightly yellowy colour. Now they've used a stable form of vitamin C in this, obviously. Otherwise, it would probably last about 2 days and then it would be no good. So I'm going to use that much, but obviously that is not enough SPF. Like, I think if you're getting started in your skincare, like I feel like this is good, but I think that you do need to apply a little bit more SPF. But I think if you're getting started, this is okay. SPF 30. It's obviously I don't know, I'm not sure if you're going to get a rating of SPF 30 by using this, because obviously it's not a huge amount. I applied like a decent amount, but I do feel like you need to add a little bit more SPF, but that feels nice. Nice and silky on the skin. I'm enjoying this. It's fun trying new products. Obviously, I've literally just used this, so I've got no indication of telling you what the actual results are. I'm just kind of giving you an idea of what the products are about and how they feel on my skin. That's about all that I can tell you right now. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with an extra layer of SPF, as I've just said. This is the Centella Green Level Safe Sun SPF 50 plus PA++++. It's basically the Purito SPF. This is a Korean SPF. I love Korean SPFs because they are brilliant. So I'm going to go in with that much on top of the SPF 30 that's in the cream, and then on a day like today, when it is cloudy outside, that is fine. That is absolutely fine. And then I need to do my neck as well, but I'm going to do that off camera. I need to do my eyelids, and that's it. Ralphie and I have just stepped out for a little walk, and I'm going to stop off and get myself a coffee. It's that time of day where I need a little caffeine boost, and there's a coffee shop near me that I really like. It's called Gale's, and they make the most delicious oat milk flat white. Guess who I'm with? We are taking baby Ralphie to the shops. So we're going out for a little walk, and then we're heading to the Conran Store, which I think I mentioned sometime in the past. It's this absolutely beautiful store that does all types of homeware that is completely out of our price range, but I heard that we can take baby Ralphie in there. So we're just going to go and have a look at things that we can't afford.
Faces.
So one of the reasons why we came here is because we wanted to also look at the candles, and there's this really beautiful brand that I want to show you, and it's very affordably priced, and it's a London-based candle brand. This is them here. It's called Urban Apothecary. So we are back from the shops. Christian is still out. He wanted to go to the V&A museum, and baby Ralphie is not allowed in there. Are you, Ralphie? No. He is exhausted. So yeah, Christian went to the museum, and I brought baby Ralphie home on the bus, and now he is sleeping. And he's so tired because he's done so much walking, which always makes me really happy when he's tired and satisfied, and he wants to say hello. And I am really hungry, so I have just eaten some crisps, some olives, just basically all the stuff that's in the fridge until Christian gets home later, and then we will have something for dinner. So yeah, I'm just snacking. I'm so tired. I think I'm just gonna continue laying on the sofa and enjoying what's left of my day off before I go back to the salon tomorrow. And I quickly wanted to tell you a couple of TV things that I have been watching at the moment. So on Netflix, we just finished season 1 of The Politician, which was so good. Gwyneth Paltrow is in it, and I love Gwyneth Paltrow. So that was fun. So if you haven't seen it already, I highly recommend it, and if you have seen it, let me know what you think in the comments below, because I really enjoyed it, and I know a lot of people did as well, so let me know your thoughts if you've seen it. I also started watching RuPaul's Drag Race UK, which I'll have to be honest, I didn't think that it was going to be very good because I don't know why, I just didn't. And it was so good. I really enjoyed it. We've only seen episode 1. It's on the BBC here. I'm sure that you can stream it in the US. Hopefully, if it's not available now in the US, it will be available soon. But it is really good. I was pleasantly surprised. The lineup of queens is really good. I think that they're really funny, like a really colourful bunch. So I'm really enjoying that. I can't wait to see episode 2. So that is another TV recommendation. If you're looking for something, there's loads of TV on at the moment. Like The Crown is coming back on Netflix soon. We've got The Real Housewives of New Jersey coming, The Real Housewives of Atlanta coming, which is amazing. Kenya's back in The Real Housewives of Atlanta. So loads of TV is happening. So yeah, that's it for TV recommendations. If you've got any TV recommendations, also let me know, because I love to get new recommendations. And that is it. I'm going to wrap up this week's little vlog. I will be back soon with a skincare video. Thanks as always for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. See ya!